Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to resize the clock on the lock screen menu on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So let's lock our phone to actually open up the lock screen, and then once we're on the lock screen, we're going to unlock our phone without exiting the lock screen like this, and then hold the lock screen to open up the lock screen editing menu. And then we're going to select one of the lock screens that we have or create a new one. We're going to select a lock screen that we have and then press customize. And in here we have our clock, and what we can do is resize it by tapping and holding on this little bar right here, like this, and then just scrolling down to make it bigger. You can make it as big as this, so like a half of the screen, or you can do pretty much any size in between. So just select the option that you want, and once you're done, press down on the top right, and your options will be saved. And as you can see, the lock screen is now, the clock on the lock screen is much bigger. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.